Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Priyansh Pathak and I'm a proud NUE alumni from batch 2017. I did my bachelor's in electrical and electronics engineering. I recently finished my PhD in biomedical sciences from UT Southwestern Medical Center and currently working as a principal scientist in one of the leading cancer institutions in United States. I'm very much thankful to Navrachana University and all the people that are and were associated to it during my undergraduate level, especially professors who helped me shape my academic pursuits and interests. I truly believe that my days at NUE were the starting building blocks towards the growth that I see in my career and all the innovations that I aim to do in coming near future. I always had this discussion with my peers that I was grateful to be offered with plethora of courses, which was not just the rigorous theoretical learning, but the combination of applied sciences with practical applications in core engineering, which led to rational and pensive thinking and pursue my career towards research. Once again, I thank NUE for all the learnings and opportunities that were extended to me during my undergraduate level. Thank you.